Hey there, and welcome to Wise Life Now. In today's video, I'll be sharing some mind-blowing facts on how artificial intelligence can be the ultimate tool for personal growth and success. Did you know that 72% of people using AI for self-improvement report faster progress toward their goals? Imagine having a personal coach, assistant, or mentor available 24/7, tailored just for you. That's the power of AI. If you're not sure where to start, don't worry. AI can be your new best friend on this journey. With the apps I'm about to share, you could unlock your full potential and achieve so much more in your life. So let's start. 1. Master time management with AI. One of the biggest challenges in personal growth is managing your time effectively. Between work, family, and personal projects, it can feel like there's never enough time in the day. There are AI tools like Notion AI, ChatGPT, and Microsoft Office features that can help make your tasks easier and save you time. Let's say you're handling a lot at once, writing a book, running a side hustle, and staying on top of your fitness routine. An AI planner like Motion or Reclaim.ai can help by organizing your schedule for you. These tools look at your calendar, break tasks into smaller steps, and find free time in your day for focused work. Here's how it works. You input all your tasks and deadlines. The AI analyzes how much time each task requires. It schedules your tasks at optimal times, factoring in your energy levels, morning for creative work, afternoon for meetings, etc. Instead of feeling stressed, you end up with a well-organized day. Isn't that awesome? Try these apps out and get more done. 2. Learn anything faster with AI. Ever wanted to learn a new language, improve your coding skills, or get better at public speaking? AI can help you learn faster and easier. Check out platforms like Duolingo, with smart lessons, have helped 34 million people worldwide learn languages, Khan Academy, with its AI tutor, Khanmigo, and coding helpers like GitHub Copilot offer personalized and efficient ways to learn. These tools have high success rates because they're tailored to how you learn best. Let's imagine you've always wanted to learn Spanish, but traditional courses bore you. With AI-powered tools, you can practice conversational Spanish using apps like Speak or Mondly, where AI simulates real-life conversations. Get instant feedback on your pronunciation. Learn at your own pace with lessons tailored to your weak spots. You can use ChatGPT alongside these platforms for extra practice. For example, ask it to create Spanish conversations or make quizzes to test what you've learned. Users report faster progress when combining tools like ChatGPT with platforms like Duolingo or Khan Academy. 3. Set, track, and achieve your goals with AI. Setting goals is easy, but staying on track can be tough. That's where AI comes in. AI helps you set smart goals and keeps you accountable. If you're falling behind, the AI will adjust the intensity or suggest additional workouts to keep you on track. For bigger life goals, tools like Habitica make it fun by turning tasks into a game. Every time you complete a task, you earn points and unlock rewards. AI analyzes your habits and gives tips to help you succeed. It's like having a coach and a cheerleader rolled into one. 4. Boost your emotional intelligence. With AI, personal development isn't just about being productive in what you do. It's about mastering your emotions, too. Boosting your emotional intelligence, EQ, can transform your relationships and leadership skills. Guess what? AI tools can make building EQ easier than ever. AI-powered journaling apps like Reflectly or Dailyo prompt you to reflect on your day and identify patterns in your emotions. These apps use machine learning to track and analyze your moods. Suggest mindfulness techniques to manage stress and help you stay calm. And spot what's bothering you and affecting your emotions. Also, devices like a Fitbit Sense or Apple Watch can track stress signs, like your heart rate. Connect them to mental health apps, and AI can help you manage stress before it gets too much. 5. Customize your fitness and nutrition with AI. Many people have shared how AI helped them lose weight, and it can work for you too. Fitness and nutrition are key to personal growth, but everyone's body is unique. AI tools can create personalized plans tailored to your needs, making it simpler to reach your health goals. Apps like MyFitnessPal and Chronometer use AI to check what you eat and suggest healthier options. For workouts, apps like Future give you an AI-powered trainer who creates a plan just for you, tracks your progress, and updates it as you improve. Don't miss out on the amazing opportunity to take your health and fitness to the next level with AI. Let technology help you reach your goals faster than ever before. 6. Advance your career with AI. Career growth is a significant part of personal development. AI tools can help you find your strengths, build new skills, and even land your dream job. Imagine you're looking to transition to a new career in digital marketing. AI platforms like LinkedIn Learning suggest courses based on industry trends and your current skills. Resume building tools like Zeti or NovoResume use AI to create tailored resumes and cover letters that stand out. You can also access AI interview prep tools like Big Interview. Things are getting better and easier for your personal growth journey. 7. Unlock your creativity with AI. Want to become a more creative person but not sure how? Well, creativity isn't just for artists. It's key to solving problems, coming up with new ideas, and communicating better. AI tools can help by suggesting ideas, assisting with brainstorming, or even helping you create content. If you're a content creator or entrepreneur, tools like Jasper AI or WriteSonic can help you draft articles, social media posts, or marketing materials. You provide the topic, and AI generates creative ideas or even full drafts. For visual creatives, platforms like Canva's AI design tools or DALL-E for generating unique images can elevate your projects. It's best to use these tools as collaborators, not replacements. Let AI inspire ideas, then add your unique voice and perspective to make the results truly your own. You'll be amazed at what you can create. 8. Manage stress and stay mindful with AI. In today's fast-paced world, staying calm and focused can be tough, right? But here's the thing. Research shows that just practicing mindfulness can cut stress and anxiety by more than 50%. AI-powered mindfulness apps are here to help. They guide you through simple meditations, keep you focused, and help melt away stress, making it so much easier to grounded. With tech like this, keeping your mind calm and sharp has never been easier. Apps like Calm and Headspace now incorporate AI to personalize meditation sessions. Based on your input, whether it's stress, insomnia, or focus, the AI suggests guided meditations or breathing exercises tailored to your needs. For deeper insights, try biofeedback devices like Muse. These headbands track brain activity and use AI to provide real-time feedback during meditation, helping you achieve a deeper state of relaxation. Give these a try and see how easy it can be to keep your mind calm and sharp. 9. Building better relationships with AI. Are you struggling in your relationships? Well, strong relationships are key to personal fulfillment, and AI can help improve your communication and connection with others. If you struggle with expressing emotions, AI chatbots like Replica provide a safe space to practice. These bots simulate human conversation and can help you explore your thoughts and feelings. While they're not a replacement for therapy, they can be a valuable supplementary tool. For couples, apps like Paired offer AI-driven quizzes and exercises to deepen understanding and strengthen bonds. The AI analyzes your interactions and suggests topics to discuss or activities to try together. 10. Reflect on yourself and grow with AI. Self-reflection is important for personal growth, but sometimes it's hard to dig deeper than just surface-level thoughts. AI can help by asking the right questions and guiding you to think more deeply, helping you uncover insights you might not have noticed on your own. Tools like WISA use AI to act as a digital coach, asking thoughtful questions and prompting you to explore your mindset. It's like having a therapist in your pocket, helping you uncover limiting beliefs and reframe them for growth. Use AI-powered journaling apps to record your thoughts. Over time, the AI can identify recurring themes and provide actionable insights, helping you grow more self-aware. Conclusion. The potential of AI in personal growth is limitless, as we have discussed. As technology evolves, we'll see even more innovative applications. But here's the thing. AI is not a tool, not a magic wand. It's up to you to take action. Use AI as an enabler, a guide, and a partner in your personal growth journey. Combine the insights and support AI provides with your determination and creativity, and there's no limit to what you can achieve. Apart from the apps that I've mentioned, you can always explore other apps carefully, understand them, and choose the ones that suits you. I hope the information I've shared helps you on your journey and supports your personal growth. Remember, no one can take charge of your progress but you. So take the first step and invest in yourself. Don't limit yourself. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone who might find it helpful. Share your thoughts about this video in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you think. See you in our next video.